What is up, everybody? I'm Ty Slim and welcome to Ty Slim Vlogs. Today we're at the treasure trove. Some might call it a scrap pile, but I call it treasure. We're gonna make a rocket stove out of this pipe. We're gonna do some cutting, welding, fabbing, and we're gonna see if we can cook something. Let's get to hunting for the treasures that I may need for this project. As you can see here, we've got all the treasures any good pirate would be after. So we're gonna collect a few items that we think we're gonna need and load them up. All right, here's my plan that I think I'm gonna use here for my rocket stove. This is actually an old basketball pipe, so we're gonna repurpose that. I'm gonna cut this somewhere up in here. That'll be my vertical, and then I'll use this elbow here. That'll be the vent tube, and then I will torch a hole in here and then put my angled pipe in there where you feed your wood in there. So I think it should work. We'll see. If it doesn't, we'll just redesign and repurpose something else. Okay, now since I drug my cutting torches out of the weeds, which is how you're supposed to store them, I'm gonna hook up the gauges. Now always remember, on your gas, on your cutting outfit, it's reverse threads. So loosen is tighten and tighten is loosen. It's got this little dash on the nut to represent that it's reverse threads. Now when you tighten these down, you don't gotta crush them, just so they don't leak. They're brass, so if you tighten them too tight, then they're gonna end up leaking. Okay, now that we've got the torch set up, the hot wrench, the equalizer, the angel wing. Now that that's set up, we're going to torch out this hole here that the feed tube for the wood is going to go in here. Definitely sitting down. Go on that. Okay, we got this pipe fit up now. I'm definitely not the best pipe fitter, that's for sure. A little out of my wheelhouse, but I just did it with the torch, did it fast and dirty. And there'll be some gaps I'll have to fill. It'll be no big deal. All right, we're gonna tack this up, see how it looks, and then get to welding. Okay, well I gotta build some kind of base, a tripod for the stand, so I might just weld a couple pieces of rebar together and then make them a triangle and see how I can attach it. Not really sure yet, we'll see. Okay, here's what we got going on. Got a little praying mantis vibe going. So, pretty cool. I think it'll work good. I gotta weld all the rebar up now and then almost done. So my idea for the air intake valve is I'm gonna get that to sit in there. So that's gonna be this will be the flapper here. And I'm gonna drill a hole through each side to this. And this is gonna be what attaches to the flapper so you can open and close it. What I got going on right now is my flapper valve. I have a hole drilled into it and it's just set there ever so slightly. So I'm gonna try to weld through the hole and stick it to this rod, and then when that's done, I can flip the rod over and get a couple good tacks on it, and then I will just cut this off and weld a nut onto it, and it'll just be like a little butterfly valve in there. Boom shakalaka, baby! Alright, party people. Now this is for the stovetop area of the rocket stove. So these are just cut-offs from me using this pipe, so that'll be like our stovetop there, and then you just put your pan on there. So I'm going to get this welded up, and then I think we're about ready to test fire. Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. Let me show you around the place. Here we come to the front door here. This is where you load your lumber. Then we got 4 legs looking like a praying mantis here for visual aesthetics. And if you come to the back door here, we have a little flapper valve for airflow. And then on the upper deck, we have where you place your pan. Okay, well, we had a fun little project today, and we built it out of all scrap metal, so repurposing stuff is obviously very fun all the time. I'm Ty Slim. This is Ty Slim Vlogs. Please like, comment, subscribe, stay positive, and I'll see you next time.